There is a style among the MLAs. BJP MLAs are sure to be punished. This time to assembly elections are a challenge for both NDA and Mahagathbandhan because this time Prashant Kishore is also very active in Bihar. A politician does not make the mistakes of taking him lightly. Apart from him, other leaders have also enjoyed Bihar. Shivdev Lande is also one of these names. If anyone other than NDA or Mahagathbandhan gets even a single seat in the future, then it can be a big blow for both because it is believed that in Bihar politics, the seat which does not go to the account of NDA will go to the Mahagathbandhan, while the one which does not go to the account of Mahagathbandhan will go to the account of NDA. But this time, due to the presence of other candidates, there is a challenge for both the constituents party. It is possible that Hemant Soren may also come into the fray. Mayawati may also come. Owaisi may also come. Then overall, the battle of Bihar is going to be very interesting this time. Under this pressure, NDA and Mahagathbandhan have decided that not even a single seat should be lost. The way the people of Bihar are struggling for every single bank and every single penny, the same has happened with the NDA constituents and Mahagathbandhan. Because of this, they have also strengthened their strategy. Under this strong strategy, Bharatiya Janata Party has taken concrete steps. Due to this step, there is a panic among the MLAs of Bihar BJP. All the MLAs of Bihar are in shock about which MLA will be punished. Bharatiya Janata Party has also announced that this time MLAs are going to be punished. Bharatiya Janata Party has completed the survey work 5 months before the election. Let us tell you that almost every political party does the survey work. Bharatiya Janata Party has also completed the survey work on 243 seats of Bihar. This time, how seriously the BJP party and Modi himself are checking the Bihar Assembly is decided by the fact that every month the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Bihar. Last month when he was on a Bihar tour, he had one saying that he will dig out the soil of terrorism, and now when he is coming to Bihar again, he has made life difficult for Pakistan. Revenge has been taken under Operation Sindhu. The Prime Minister will address Bihar with this word. It is becoming clear from this survey that the tickets of the current MLAs of the BJP party can be cut on a larger scale. The MLAs whose performance has not been good, their tickets are clean this time. Let us also tell you that the ticket of any current MLAs whose name is not included in this secret survey conducted by the party is cut. In this sequence, the BJP party does not spare any leader, no matter how big a leader is. If his name does not come in this survey, then his ticket is lost. The BJP party is going to the lower level to understand the weakness and strengths of the party and to brainstorm. In Bihar, the party will give ticket to only those MLAs or to those faces who have the most winning potential. The party will distribute tickets on this basis, and Tejaswi Yadav, the head of Rashtriya Janata Dal, is also going to do it on this basis. The distribution of seats in the Mahagathbandhan is also going to be done on this basis. The political status of Bihar of Dutch constituency parties who will not follow this rule, whose apprehension turns out to be wrong, will be decided.